Hello everyone, welcome back to Gossipfunda. Today we are going to talk about a Windows error. So while updating the Windows, we were getting a install error 0x80070643, and in this video we're gonna see some possible ways to fix it. So while updating your Windows, first of all check few things on your PC. First of all, unplug all external devices except the keyboard and mouse. Secondly, disable or uninstall the antiviruses. Now after doing this all, still you are getting this error, then first of all run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. To run the Windows Update Troubleshooter, go to Settings, go to System, go to Troubleshoot, go to Other Troubleshooters, and in the option of Windows Update, click on Run. When the process is finished, restart your device and check for the Windows Update again, and then install the available updates. The next thing you have to do is that you have to make sure that the Windows Update and background intelligent and transfer services are working. To check that, press Window key and R button, and in Run box type services.msc. Press enter to open the services app. Now double click on background intelligent transfer services. If it is running, then click on OK, and if it is not running, then click on start and then click on OK. Also sometimes this issue occurs because of the insufficient space, so make sure to free up some space, and also make sure to update the third-party driver. So these were the ways to fix your issue. I hope this video helps. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. You can also visit to our website from the link in description. Thank you so much. See you soon.